Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing Puppet from Friday Night at Freddy's. So I'm going to start by just laying this out. It's got very long arms. Very long legs. There we go. All right, now you guys keep using that pencil. All right, so we're gonna draw a nice round cranium or head. And then we've got some bulges on each side here for the cheeks. And then we've got a pretty round bottom on this character. And I'm gonna draw the mouth with a kind of a curved line. And then this comes down. We've got red coming up that way. Some red cheeks here. And then above this bulge, we've got some very almond-shaped eyes. And some lines coming down from that. All right, that was easy enough. Okay, then they've got a really long neck. There it goes. And here's the shoulders. They're very tiny. Then I'm going to drop down and do the torso. There we go. And now I'm going to do the arm. Coming down. Coming around. Okay, so we're coming down. Coming back up. There we are. And we've got some circles right here. There's some little button hole things there. And then for the hands, these two are pretty close. There we go. There. Then we'll put the inside of the leg there. Go. Alright. Then for the legs, I'm putting a curved line coming down. If I put it straight across, it would make the leg seem flat, but I want it to seem more three-dimensional. So I'm putting just a little bit of a curve. And the same way for this. Just doing a little bit of a curve. Want to do it straight. There. And there you have it. Puppet from Friday Night at Freddy's. Oh, there we go. Thank you for watching.